Hi, folks. We are already in week 8. Just wanted to give a quick check-in and talk about what's happening this coming week, which would be on Wednesday would be March 12th. So the mid-semester participation is due on Wednesday. Most of you have it in, and I thank you for that. But that's a biggie in terms of participation. You will not receive a grade back for it because I have to hold on to it because once send it back to you, I have really not much more evidence that you submitted it. So I need that, and so you're not going to get a grade if so. Make sure that you submit that. You will hear from me if you don't via email, but I think most of you have that in already. So. Um, the next thing is we're getting into unit 7, which is session 34 and then 36. And what we're doing is we're going to start getting into the documents. In the first document, we're doing our memos, preparing memos. So, what I want you to use are the resources. And if you happen to get frustrated with the way you're graded on any of these documents, please just email me. And you could always email me the document, and I could check it over, which is fine. But ultimately, I put in the grade. So please don't get frustrated because there could be some glitches in this Series 2.0. So no, not to worry. There's always communicate with me. But I want you to use the resources. And so if we go under the course content, one resource you could use is to look at the proper formatting of these documents. And that's under sample document proper formatting. And the first one that we're using is that we're formatting is going to be a memo. And it gives a little blurb. And this actually comes from the book. Um, so but it's kind of easier sometimes to have everything in one place right here. So this would be the next thing that we're doing. We're going to be doing business letters. Um, there's formatting an MLA report, but for all intents and purposes, this week we will be looking at how to format a memo. Another resource that I'd like you to access are these PowerPoints, and we are on Unit 7, and these memos are going to start on 36, which is session 36. So right here, I'm going to just pull it up, and you can see this is the PowerPoint. So if you start at 36, it's going to just give you a resource on it, and you're going to see another properly formatted memo. Okay, so um, I want you to make sure that you're going through these resources that we have. Other than that, there's the 3-minute timings, and many of you have already. Some of you have 3 of them in already. But other than that, that's this week, and then next week we have spring break. We have recess from March 17th to the 23rd. So I'll actually be in touch with you guys in 2 weeks. So any questions, please reach out to me. But just make sure that mid-semester participation assignment is in, and then please look through the resources. Okay, have a great break.